If you've ever selected a bunch of files in Google Drive and then realized you only needed a few of them, don't worry, there's a super quick way to deselect them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deselect files in Google Drive in just a second or two, using two simple methods that work on the web version. This is perfect when you're organizing folders, moving files, or cleaning up your drive and you want to clear your selection fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and select your files like you normally would. Once those files are highlighted, move your cursor to any empty space inside Google Drive that is not on a file, folder, or menu item. Then click once on that empty area. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will instantly deselect all of the currently selected files. It's a really simple trick, and it's one of the fastest ways to clear your selection without having to start over. Now, if for some reason clicking an empty space doesn't feel convenient, there's an alternative method you can use. With your files still selected, just press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's the ESC key, and it will clear the current selection right away. This is especially useful if you're using a laptop or if you just prefer keyboard shortcuts over mouse clicks. So to recap, if you want to deselect files in Google Drive on the web, you can either click anywhere on an empty space inside Drive or press Escape to clear the selection. Both methods are quick, easy, and save you from having to manually unselect each file one by one, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to deselect files in Google Drive the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.